Dear students, today we are on page number 17 and this is our fourth lesson, Vedic civilization, and in the last video we learned about the family system and day-to-day life. Now in today's video we will learn point number 4.3, agriculture, animal husbandry, economic and social life of the Vedic people. Now, agriculture was the main occupation during the Vedic period. Friends, in the Harappan civilization also we learn that agriculture was the main occupation. And here in the Vedic civilization also, agriculture was the main occupation during Vedic period. Many oxen were yoked together to plow the fields. Oxen, it's a plural of ox, and yoke. Together they used to plow the fields. The plow had iron plowshares, right? The plows for to cultivate the farm or to plow the farm, these plows had iron made. Their plowshares were of iron made. The Atharva Veda consider insects, pests and other animals that destroy crops and suggest certain remedies. Cow dung was used as a manure. Here they were using the bullocks or oxen or yoke together to plow the field. The plows were made of iron or iron sheets were used for them. Then in Atharva Veda some remedies or some remedies means what we can say, they were if the crops were destroyed by the insects, pests. Now we in today's we will say fertilizers or the chemicals like the same. These are some of the remedies or to destroy to kill the insects and pests. They were using some of the remedies that is mentioned in Atharva Veda, and cow dung was used as a manure, right? They were using the cow dung as a manure, and in today's age also we know that this cow dung is also used as a manure. Now it is about just few things you have to learn here. They were using iron plowshares, they were using the cow dung as a manure, and in Atharva Veda there were some of the remedies to kill the insects and pests. Now here during the Vedic period, animals like horses, cows and dogs had special importance. Now here you can see they were giving the importance to the cows, to the dogs and to the horses also. Cows were used as a means of exchange. Means of exchange, they were using cows. That is why cows were highly prized. In Vedic civilization, cows were used as a means of exchange. So these cows were highly prized. People took special care to ensure that their cows would not be stolen. And we know in these days also robbers are there. Now means of exchange we have a money, so we have to keep our money safe from the robbers like this. In the Vedic civilization, the peoples has to take care of about their cows because they it was the means of exchange, and some of the robbers or some peoples they were trying to stole it, so they were taking special care of the cows. The horse was valued because of its speed. The Vedic people were skilled in taming the horses and harnessing them to the chariots. Now these horses were also has a special importance in it, and the peoples were giving the training. The people were skilled in taming means to train the horses to push or to pull the chariot, harnessing them to the chariots. Chariot in the Vedic period had spoked wheels which are lighter than solid wheels. The horses drawn and spoked wheels chariots of the Vedic period were swift and speedy. Now here you can see the its horses, and we are familiar in Ramayana, Mahabharata, this type of raths or chariots we have seen, and here they were using the horses to pull it. Then the wheels of the Vedic period or the chariots were made up of solid wheels, or such as lighter and solid. And what they were using, they were using the spoke to make it lighter. We can see the spoke instead of solid, because solid wheel it will be little heavier than, and it will be very difficult for the horses to pull, so they were using the spoke wheel which are lighter than the solid. And the horse drawn and spoke wheels chariots of the Vedic, these wheels of the chariot, they took the proper speed. Vedic period was swift and speedy, and it is about the animals or the farming they had did. So it's a very simple, just they were using the horses to pull the chariots, they were using the bulls or the yoke to pull the to cultivate their farms. And the cows were used as a means of exchange. They need to take proper care of their cows. Why? Because the robbers or the robbers were trying to steal it, right?